just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Nikki, and you're balancing on my deck right now. So, yeah, I'm here with my May IPSY, and I'm back with normal videos because Losing Liza is over tier. But if you didn't watch Losing Liza, you can go watch that all. It'll be, you know, the last like 5 videos on my channel. So yeah, here is my, I'm trying to do this fast. This is my May IPSY. Oh my god, there's a bug. On this side, it's just like a peach with yellow IPSY, and on the back, it's like a travel thing. Inside, it's real bright orange. But the first thing I got actually isn't in my bag. It's in this bag because, you know, too big. And it is a brush. It is a tapered blending brush. It is by a brand I cannot pronounce, but it's fine. I have a brush from them before and I really like it, so yeah. The second thing in my bag is this Nelson Beverly Hills moisturizing healing mask for your hair. It says it's got argan oil formulas delivered and combined for multi-benefits, detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water, restores silkiness and shine, and enhances natural body. I need all of those things, so yeet. Having to like bend or like widespread stand to be fully in shot. The third thing in my bag is the Tarte white setting powder. Super pumped about this because I love Tarte for face makeup, because I love the Tarte Amazonian Clay foundation. And so yeah, I'm excited for this. The fourth thing in my bag, I'm guessing it's Beauty, just a weird way to spell it, Beauty Basics. And it is a foiled eyeshadow. Very pretty. Oh dear God, here comes my dogs. Okay, excuse the dog huffing. I have one last thing, and it is this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. And I'm gonna try to open it and show you guys the color. Okay, this is it. I swatch very weird, and I'm sorry, but that is the color. Ooh, I like that color. Okay, I like that color a lot. So yeah, that is my IPSY bag this month. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see me do next, because it is my summer vacation, and I am back to Tuesday, Thursday videos, and yeah, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday videos, sorry. Yeah, I think, I don't know, I kind of want to keep Saturdays like spooky Saturdays, because Losing Liza was spooky, so I kept that, even though this Saturday the blooper video of the whole season goes up, and that's not scary, that's hilarious. But whatever, it's fine. I got lipstick on my teeth. Okay, if you guys liked the video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see me next. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on Saturday with that blooper video, and on Tuesday with getting them deals, Goodwill / Five Below haul, and I don't know what is for next Thursday. That's just what I have planned so far. So yeah, I love you guys, and peace out.
Life is up here, but you comment below, and the comments will always become common motivation to promote your show's next episode, so your brain knows to keep going even though